hit the subscribe button, and like the video. Yes, you read the title right. I have never played this game in my life. Every single time I boot up this game, since like 3 years ago now, I've always quit in the first 5 seconds. I don't understand the hype about this game. I'm just gonna go into it, and what is that? Let us be the first to congratulate you on your wise decision to sign up for this adventure. Okay, Timmy, welcome to the check-in counter for your deserted island getaway package. Again, your name is Timmy. There's so much to look forward to, but first, let me introduce ourselves. I am Timmy. Think of us as your partners. We're in for it for the long haul. So let's get started, shall we? Yes, it is. Understood. Stood. Why did he say understood and they say stood? Alright, obviously my name would be Kayoshi. Kayoshi. Wait, he only said it twice. Oh yes, here you are. Our next step will be to take a picture of you, Kayoshi. Oh, don't worry, take as much time as you need to get yourself looking just the way you want. We'll be ready when you are. Why is he so creepy? Bro, this is the closest to what I've got, so I don't know what hair color it is. I'm just gonna say black because it's close. Yeah, I'm just gonna say black. Oh, I can change the color of the shape of my nose. Try. Oh yeah, that's me, alright. This is actually me in real life. Great, you're all set. I'll just go ahead and add that picture to your records. And now let's start talking about your new home. So exciting! Exciting. You will see we're quite proud of the work we've done to help you feel comfortable with your new life. Oh yeah! Oh yes! In fact, if you want, you can even experience the seasons the same way you're used to them. What is that supposed to mean? So tell me, Kayoshi, where do you live now? Live now. I don't want to tell you guys this, but I live definitely not there. Ah, excellent. That information really helps. Okay, I skipped on accident. So naturally, we'd recommend that you relocate to an island in the Northern Hemisphere. There are a few more decisions to make, but does that sound okay so far? So far. Yes, it does. Very good. We have a number of lovely uninhabited islands in the North Hemisphere to choose from. Now then, all of our islands are approximately the same size, and they are quite natural. So don't worry about whether you'll have enough space or comfort. You can't go wrong. I'm starting to doubt these guys. I'll show you the maps now, and you could choose the best one for your new home. So I'm just gonna choose my island, and the island that I choose is that one. Wonderful choice. I can't wait to show it off to you. Alright, buddy. But before we depart, I have one final question for you. Why was he twitching like that? Hello everyone. Thank you for taking this chartered flight as part of Nook Inc.'s Deserted Island Getaway Package. Please sit, relax, and enjoy a competent video presentation about deserted island life. See, what if I don't want to? Why is that fly so big? Sorry, I was just drinking toxic waste. Would you please join us for a short orientation session in the nearby plaza? Our fearless leader himself will be giving a presentation, so I'd hate for you to miss it. I want to miss it. I really want to. We're heading there right now. Okay, yeah, basic controls. Can I jump? So there's no jumping in this game. This game is actually boring. Who is this? Huh? Alright, is that everyone? Let's see. Is Pashmina here? And how about Jay? And there's Kayoshi, of course. Yay! Great, we're all here. I don't want to be here. I'll turn over you to new. I'll turn over the I was paying attention already to get. Yes. Very good. Let's see, how shall I begin? Yes, of course. Welcome everyone. Welcome to your new island. My name is Tom Nook, and I am the founder and president of Nook Inc. Yes. Today is the first day of your new life on this lovely island. Lovely island. So congratulations in this package deal. So what's this game about, huh? Is this game about what is it? What is this game? Kayoshi got hops. Villager Kayoshi got hops. Let's see what the tent will look like. Oh yeah. Okay. Why am I asking myself if it's a good spot or not? I will know what it'll look like. I set up my temp. Temp. Yeah, that definitely says temp. That's a first. Let's go inside our tent, shall we? How big is this tent? Aww. Kayoshi, you must have found a suitable spot for your tent. You're the first one back, so I suppose the others still must be searching for the right location. Since you've already done some scouting, the others may appreciate your assistance. Yes. Ooh. Pashmina. Wait! I got it! Don't tell me. You're Kayoshi, right? I gotta tell you. Okay, I skipped. You already found a good spot, huh? Yeah, I was trying to feel for the best spot. But I was having trouble. Oh, you just existed here, huh? You already set up your tent, eh? I'm still trying. Now, is that everything? Let's get started with the festivities. Is that what that word says? At last, allow me to properly welcome you to your new island. I have participated in many ventures and endeavors over the next years, but this may be the most exciting. Helping developing a new and thriving new community entirely from scratch will truly test my business. Akumen, and perhaps my skills as an outdoors man. Now we may not have the kind of numbers that I originally envisioned, but that means we'll just have to rise to the challenge, and I have no doubt that we will. I suppose we can't call this Deserted island is what we call it then. I sense great opportunity as first residents of this island, which I don't want to name it, as democracy and royals. N Y H E H E. Nyeh. It suggested that we should go yeah, we should just definitely go it rocks. Splendid. And then from now on, this island known as well, Kyoshi, since you've proven yourself by naming I'd rely on you to critical supervision island. Yes, our resident so we've settled on a name for island. It's been we don't have a toast. You know, that doesn't look like toast. Then, without further ado, a toast to okay. How do I save this game? You know, that was Animal Crossing. I hope to play this game again. You know, I never still got to see Animals Crossing.